and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is my Salon Trolley full tour. Now I already have most of the acrylics I need for the drawers. Now the last time I spoke to you about my Salon Trolley, I was going to get those beige, actually I'll get one out the drawer. I was actually going to get loads of these for the Salon Trolley, but I had a different idea. I had loads of acrylics anyway still, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use them instead because I can fit so much more in. All my nail polishes and stuff will be out. So yeah, I'm going to show you what acrylics that I have here, and then I'm going to show you a before and after of my Salon Trolley and show you how I've done it and what acrylics that I have bought. Before I show you the before clip of my Salon Trolley, I want to show you these quickly. So if you remember when I showed you the Salon Trolley, like the before, and I said about like little drawers at the top, well that's these. Now you've already guys seen these before on my dressing table, and I thought, you know what, they are very sturdy, and I thought to myself, before I actually get some, I want to test it out. So I took one of the drawers out on the ones that's on my dressing table and stuck it on top just to make sure it was sturdy enough, it was strong enough to hold them. They are, and I can fit my nail polishes in there. Now I was going to get that, I think it's called like a nail Salon Trolley, I think it's like a beautician's trolley thing that I showed you guys in the picture. I was going to get one of them to put all my nail stuff in, but then I realised these can fit nail polishes in. I will list these in the description box below for you guys, just in case if you guys are interested in these drawers, like for anything. Some people actually use these for like their kitchen cupboards, where else, like under the sink storages, because it's so easy just to store a few things in. So basically this is what the drawer looks like, and it obviously comes out. They actually do come out fully as well, so you can pop them back in. All my nail polishes are going to go in here. They come in a pack of 2, so I have 2 of them. I was going to get another set, but I thought, you know what, let me just deal with these 2 first and see how I get on. They are stackable as well, so you can pop as many as you like on top of each other. You can stack them like side by side like that, and then have loads of storages on top, or you can just buy loads of them and then just stack them like that, and as you go up. But I want to show you what it's looking like on my Salon Trolley anyway. So now I'm going to show you the before, and then I'm going to show you how I'm styling my Salon Trolley, and then I'm going to show you the after.
I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
As you can see, this is what my Salon Trolley is looking like. These are the acrylics that I had in a box in the spare room that I was going to sell, but I originally thought, you know what, I will have them because they can go in the drawers. Now, I'm not going to go into detail of every single drawer because you guys have already seen that. So what I'm going to do is just quickly style the top, and then I'm going to go off camera, sort it all out properly, and then show you what it actually looks like. Like I said, there's no point going through each drawer and showing you because obviously you guys have seen it anyway, and it's just all stuff like nail polishes you guys have seen. I'll give you a better view of this. So obviously I'm not going to show you each drawer and how I'm going to style it, but I've got like nail polishes in there, I've got them in there, you know, I've got nail stuff in there, you know, so it's all a bit of a jumbled up at the moment. See, like what I mean, I've got like hair products in here, you know. So I'm not going to show you each and every drawer because like you've already guys have seen it anyway, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to style the top parts. So it's this where my big acrylics are going to go. Just going to show you this part. So obviously I'm just going to take these off. If you don't know what these are, that is my Miley UV lamp, and that's a little furry rug where I can just do photos of my nails. So make sure I put them the right way round. So these are going to go here like this, and then obviously this one stackable on the top like that. And then with my, I don't know whether to pop this in one of the drawers, which you probably might do, and then my UV lamp can actually just sit on top, but obviously I will style it a little bit more better. But if I do buy some other ones of these, then it depends on how high it goes. I was going to store them there and then get like a smaller kind of versions there. I don't know whether, no, I was going to say I don't know whether it would like go across. But yeah, that is what I'm going to do so far. So I'm going to go and sort this all out and then I will be back. Okay, so this is what I have done. So obviously I've put my UV lamp up here. I've got these acrylic storages up here. I'm thinking about getting another 2 because I've had to put some of my nail polishes in this one, because all of this drawer is literally full with nail polishes, so I've had to pop the rest in there. Then in here is obviously got the rest of them. It's got my plug for my UV lights, little adapters for it if changing light obviously to different plugs. I've got my nail stickers, my little diamond, so when I post on like my socials and stuff, I've got my diamond. I've got my nail pencils and brushes all in there. Then I've got obviously my nail polish removers sitting up here for now. And then in these drawers I've just done it differently. So as you guys would have seen, this is like all of my manicure stuff, my pedicure, so my nail files, clippers, little scissors and stuff, tweezers, you know, everything that I need for manicure and pedicure is all here. Then in this drawer here I have like my compact mirrors at the back, my eyelash curlers here. I've got these which are little stencil things to pop your eyeliner on properly, some powder puffs, my big ones here, my beauty blenders and more powder puffs. Then in this drawer here I've just got all of my face masks and sheet masks. I absolutely love them. And in this drawer here it's got loads of stuff in at the moment because I'm not really sure what to do with all this, but all of these here is all my like little lip balms which don't actually fit into my acrylics on my dressing table, and these are just bits and bobs here which I don't know what to do with yet because I don't know whether to keep them or not, so I just popped them in there for now. And then this drawer is empty, but I've kept the acrylics in place just in case I need to put something in here. Then in this drawer here I've got a compact mirror, I've got my little headband, I've got some clips, crocodile clips here, and obviously a spare acrylic just in case. Sorry, sometimes these drawers are a nightmare to get in. Then I have all my hair scrunchies, hair bubbles, clips, Christmas hair bubbles, Diamante clips, bobby pins, these little separator clips, and some black clips as well. Then in here I've just got some headbands, some wrist watches, or not wrist watches, wrist wash bands, some scrunchies and my Molly May hairbrushes. I've got my white fur mat here, and then in the last drawer here I've just got some more Beauty Works products, Lee Stafford, all my hair products in here that did not fit in my drawer in my dressing table. So that is my Salon Trolley complete. Like I said, I've got to get 2 more of them just to sit on top so it looks a little bit more better, but yeah, I'm pleased with it. and I'm so happy it's coming together nicely. I've got an empty drawer, but it doesn't matter because I'll always pop something in there.
Just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire.
So guys, that is my Salon Trolley full tour of 2025. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have seen anything throughout this video, please let me know in the comment section below and I will let you know where things are from. But them big drawer storages that I've got sitting on top of my Salon Trolley, they are from Amazon and I will link them in the description box below. If you've seen absolutely anything, then please feel free to message me or comment, then I will let you know where everything else is from. But I think most majority is either from Shein, Amazon. I think that's it basically, from Shein and Amazon. But if you see anything, then please let me know in the comment section below and I will let you guys know where they are from. So guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, as always, give it a like, a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.